this video, we are going to discuss about financial market. Before that, we need to understand what is financial system. Financial system is a set of institutions such as banks, insurance companies, and stock exchange that permit the exchange of funds. That means a well-developed financial system is very essential for the improvement of our economic condition of the country. Okay, so the financial system create financial input in the form of capital, cash, and credit. Next, components of financial system. There are four major components. First one, financial market. Financial market is a market for trading financial security. There are two types of financial market. First one, money market. Money market is for trading short-term security, and capital market is for trading long-term security. Then another component is financial intermediaries. Financial intermediaries act as intermediaries between suppliers and demanders of the fund. There are so many institutions, they act as financial intermediaries. Bank is one of that, and a mutual fund is another financial intermediaries. There are a lot of non-banking companies, non-banking financial companies and insurance companies also act as financial intermediaries between suppliers of fund and demanders of the fund. Then regulatory body. Okay, a financial system required a well maintained regulatory body which control and regulate the financial system. Okay, there are so many statutory institutions, they act as a regulatory body of financial system. RBI is one of that, and Security Exchange Board of India is another regulatory body, and also Ministry of Finance act as a powerful regulatory body of financial system. Then suppliers or demanders of fund is another components of financial system. Sometimes individual may be supplier or demanders of the fund. Business may be supplier or demanders of the fund. Also government also sometimes supplier or demanders of the fund. These are the major components of financial system. First one, financial market. Second one, financial intermediaries. Third one, regulatory bodies and suppliers or demanders of fund. We are going to discuss about financial market. We already said that financial market is one of the components of financial system. Financial market referred broadly to any marketplace where the trading of security occurred, including the stock market, bond market, forex market, and derivative markets, among others. Okay, FMS, financial market are the centers that facilitate buying and selling of financial instruments, claims, or service. Okay, financial market simply means it's a market for trading of a financial security. Next, types of financial market. First one, money market. Money market is a market for trading short-term security. Short-term security which have a maturity period only up to 1 year. Then second one, capital market. Capital market is for trading long-term security. Long-term security which have maturity period more than 3 years. Then financial guarantee. Okay, financial guarantee is another types of financial market. This is an independent market, provide guarantee service to the clients. First one, personal guarantee. Okay, personal guarantee given by the individual to obtain loan for another individual. Okay, second one, government guarantee. Sometimes government may stand as a guarantor for public sector undertaking and such type of companies. And institutional guarantee. Some institution like LIC, statutory financial institution, they are act as they provide guarantee service to their clients. Then another types of financial market is foreign exchange market. Okay, in which foreign exchange transaction are take place. These are the some of the type of financial market. First one, money market. Second one, capital market. Third one, financial guarantee, and fourth one, foreign exchange market. Nature of financial market. First one, they generate and apportion credit. Financial market generate and apportion or allocate the credit to the demand person. Second one, they serve as intermediaries in the process of mobilization of savings. We already said that in the market there are suppliers and demanders of the fund. Actually, financial market act as intermediaries between them. Then third one, they provide convenience and benefit to the lender and borrowers. Okay, financial market provides so many supporting activities for lenders and borrowers. And third one, they promote economic development. Okay, actually financial market, there are so many regulatory authority which promote the economic development of the country. Next, functions of financial market. First function is borrowing and lending. This is a prime function of financial market. Financial market allow the transfer of fund from one person to another. Okay, then second one, price determination. Financial market is very helpful for price determination of already existing stock as well as newly issued financial asset. Then third one, information aggregation and coordination. Financial market collect information and supply that information to the needy person. Then fourth one, risk sharing. Okay, financial market allow the transfer of risk from those who undertake investment to those who provide fund for those investment. Then fifth one, liquidity. Financial market provide liquidity for financial asset. Then efficiency. Financial market reduce the transaction cost and other extra costs and information cost, etc., which will increase the efficiency of the transaction. These are the some of the functions of financial market.